Measuring 0.108 inches thick, the Bornas features a rigid full-tang powder metallurgy construction, housed between either OD green G10 scales or natural rosewood handles. These material options not only offer versatility but also drastically transform the knife's overall aesthetic. The G10 variant presents a sleek, modern look, while the rosewood version exudes a distinctly vintage-inspired appeal. This contrast is further emphasized by the sheath options. G10 models can be paired with a Kydex sheath for a contemporary touch, while the rosewood version can be ordered with a leather sheath for a more classic appearance. However, both models offer the flexibility to be paired with either sheath, catering to individual preferences. The finger guard behind the blade's choil, combined with the trigger finger groove in the handle, provides excellent grip even under hard use. Jimping at the base of the spine further enhances this aspect, a seemingly small detail that significantly improves handling. The G10 scales also contribute to the knife's secure grip without being overly aggressive, ensuring comfort even during repeated or prolonged use without causing hand fatigue. The Kydex sheath delivers excellent retention, strong enough for tip-up, handle-down mounting, while still allowing for smooth deployment without excessive effort. Designed with versatility in mind, the Kydex sheath features multiple slots and 6 rivets with standardized spacing, enabling a range of mounting and carrying options. When paired with an Ulticlip Slim, it functioned flawlessly. While the Bornas' handle could benefit from additional grooves or contours for enhanced grip, its design still offers more than sufficient ergonomics. Beyond functionality, the Bornas stands out as the most visually striking knife in its category, setting itself apart with a sleek and refined aesthetic. Like all WESN products, the Bornas is also backed by a lifetime warranty, reinforcing its value as a long-term investment. The WESN Bornas seamlessly blends form and function, delivering both exceptional performance and striking aesthetics. This finely crafted knife not only excels in practical use, but also stands out as a visually impressive piece. With its Swedish craftsmanship and premium materials, the Bornas earns high marks across the board, making it a standout choice for those who appreciate both utility and design.